this was a trilogy, so I thought it would be fun to talk about. So I watched this out of order. So this is sort of Red Dragon, Silence of the Lambs, and Hannibal, which is sort of a trilogy. I first watched Hannibal, which is the last film in this trilogy, and I liked it. I already heard about certain things about Silence of the Lambs and Hannibal, with Hannibal having, I've heard, having so-so reviews. And I liked it. I thought it was fun, and I thought it was really interesting. But I do understand when I later watched it why people were like, oh, this is not as good. But I definitely did like it. It was definitely fun, and it was definitely entertaining. I then watched Red Dragon, which I thought was not as good. I think it was still good. It's still a good movie. But it wasn't as good as Hannibal. And then I watched Silence of the Lambs. I'm like, okay, this is the best out of all of them. I know why people said Hannibal wasn't as good. But I still think all three of them are really good and definitely have their own merits and what makes it good. Hannibal is a good film about someone trying to find someone in a sort of way. Red Dragon is a sort of interesting take on a relationship between two people, and Silence of the Lambs as a sort of thing of trying to has the best of both worlds, trying to has a good relationship between the two and also trying to find someone else. So I definitely think this is definitely really worth watching, and it's really good and amazing. So I recommend watching all three.